This is a Luna Terra Classic price prediction and LUNC technical analysis on hourly and daily timeframes as well as LUNC news. We always base our decisions only that align with the higher timeframe trend. Before we present our Luna Terra Classic technical analysis, we will tell you about other price prediction news. Terra Luna Classic price prediction. Can it reach $1 by 2023? Terra Luna Classic price prediction as LUNC sees $100 million trading volume coming. Terra's Luna Classic price hints at a 20% explosive move soon. Technical analysis and trading signals on the daily timeframe. Pivot point supertrend system gave the sell signal. Candlestick patterns are bearish. USDC trading patterns are bearish. Support and resistance level analysis show breakout further down. Overall, on the daily chart, we decided to keep short positions. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 1 hour time frame. On the hourly chart, we got sell signal. Pivot point supertrend system gives sell signal. Candlestick patterns are bearish. USDC trading patterns are indicating downtrend. Support and resistance level analysis show lower lows. Overall, on the hourly chart, we decided to stay short. Watch until the end of video as we will present you results of our another trading strategy. Subscribe to get more technical analysis videos. The cryptocurrency industry is still dealing with the fallout from the FTX crisis, which sparked a sell-off of most digital assets, including Terra Classic, the renamed version of the notorious Terra coin. However, the crypto community remains optimistic about Terra Classic's future, anticipating it will trade at a median price of $0 December 31, 2022, according to data gathered on November 25. If the forecasts of the community members prove right, based on 1,356 votes made as of press time, this would imply a $0 plus 63.76% gain in the price of LUNC, which is now trading at $0. The positive projections follow LUNC's hopeful burn report on November 22, which said that over 28 billion LUNC tokens have been burnt, accounting for approximately 0.4% of the entire supply available. LUNC technical evaluation in terms of technical analysis indicators. The summary based on TradingView's 1-week gauges shows that Terra Classic is now trending toward the buy zone at 2 versus sell, which is also at 2, and neutral, which is at 0. This is a description of the moving averages gauge and oscillators, with the former indicating strong buy at 1 and the latter indicating sell or neutral at 0. With a few exceptions, LUNC has been trading in a steady downward trend for the last few months, mirroring the overall tendency of other cryptocurrencies. LUNC is now trading at $0, down 3.04% on the day and 12.47% for the last 7 days. At the same time, the market capitalization of the decentralized finance coin is $942.3 million, keeping it as the 42nd largest asset by this metric. It was only a little more than a year ago that cryptocurrencies seemed to be on their way to the stratosphere, except maybe not. Is the finale approaching for a mystery sector that seems to have grown from nothing to a US $3 trillion market at its peak? Pandemic cryptovirus Nobel Prize-winning economist Paul Krugman predicted the following in 2018. Because the value of cryptocurrencies is solely dependent on self-fulfilling expectation, catastrophic collapse is a possible possibility. Krugman, Paul surprisingly, Elon Musk did cause Dogecoin's value to decline after laughing about it on a TV broadcast. Since then, the convergence of macroeconomic issues and inadequate risk management in the cryptocurrency ecosystem has resulted in significant losses and billions of dollars stuck on a dead exchange. In retrospect, Terra Crash Lunas was a warning, much like a sequence of seemingly unconnected incidents in a Hollywood film that turned out to be a foreshadowing of impending tragedy. With crypto firms relying so heavily on loans from one another, the Terra blockchain's demise has various ramifications. It was particularly responsible for the collapse of Three Arrows Capital, which was formerly the largest hedge fund in cryptocurrency. Despite the bailouts and liquidity crises, the crypto community maintained a broad air of speculative optimism. That was the case until FTX imploded. After a rescue agreement with Binance fell through, the third largest cryptocurrency exchange became the latest victim of the crypto virus. However, for crypto aficionados, the demise of FTX is a devastating blow, raising concerns that a crypto sell-off would result in more businesses going bankrupt. Crypto's annus horribilis has been 2022, and Sam Bankman-Fried, formerly the crypto industry's golden kid, is proven to be nothing more than a financial fraud. Unfortunately, his personal flaws have threatened to drag down a whole sector that is only finding its footing. What became of Terra Luna? The second quarter of 2022 was marked by 2 stunning incidents that led to the market's decline and continue to have an impact on the crypto business. In this post, we will go further into Terra Luna, examining its operation, token structure, new project, and why Terra Luna collapsed, creating a slump in the whole crypto market. What exactly is Terra? Terra is, or should I say, was a permissionless blockchain that hosts an ecosystem of decentralized apps built using Cosmos SDK, the world's most popular framework for developing application-specific blockchain. Do Kwon and Daniel Shin founded it in 2018 in South Korea, allowing users to create stablecoins linked to fiat currencies using the consensus technique, delegated proof of stake, and smart contract. The primary objective was to build a safe payment system based on a decentralized algorithmic stablecoin that could be converted into its native token, Luna, without the need of over-collateralized cryptocurrencies or fiat currency. The Terra protocol's native staking token is Luna. It is used to pay network gas expenses, engage in governance and staking processes, and maintain the anchoring and its related infrastructure, Terra LUNC. To comprehend what caused Terra's algorithmic stability and Luna token to collapse, resulting in the so-called Black Swan event, you must first grasp all of the steps that constituted the event. The loss of a peg. Following a transaction that produced a liquidity imbalance, Terra USD lost its peg to the dollar for the first time on May 7. As a result, stablecoin has lost its peg on other exchanges. This loss is reflected in Terra USD. With the loss of the peg, the price of Luna fell precipitously, undermining faith in the US stablecoin. Turn off the network. With the liquidity pools almost depleted, USD holders were obliged to exchange their USD for Luna. Unfortunately, increased supply has reduced prices below 1/100th of a dollar, prompting Terra to halt its blockchain operations on May 12. What caused Luna to crash? Within 48 hours, the Luna token's price had plummeted from roughly $120 per $sign Luna to less than 2 cents. This was a big defeat in the cryptocurrency business. As a result, the value of its dollar peg token $sign USD plummeted from a $1 to a few cents. In the days that followed, Terraform Labs CEO presented a mechanism for depegging $sign USD and depreciating $sign Luna. A $1 billion $sign USD burn would reduce USD supply while restoring the stablecoin's peg. But it wasn't enough, so the creators and community embarked on Plan B, the creation of a hard fork, Terra 2.0. A brand new Terra, the community decided on a rescue plan, which resulted in the formation of a hard fork. Terra Classic users approved Governance Proposal 1623 on May 25, 2022, outlining the birth of a new Terra chain. This proposal also proposed a Luna Genesis distribution that would be airdropped to Terra Classic chain users based on pre-depeg and post-depeg snapshots. Terra Classic is Terra's initial blockchain, featuring the Luna Classic native token. It will coexist with the new chain and will be backed by the community members who oppose the resurrection plans in the fork. In a recent AMA, Do Kwon expresses his support for the Terra Classic network. Terraform Labs CEO Do Kwon vowed support for the Terra Classic community in a recent Ask Me Anything session, according to tweets from Terra Classic influencer Classic. Kwon has said that TFL is open to collaborate with and engage the Terra Classic community in future projects. Furthermore, the TFL creator said that Terra Station will be maintained for the Terra Classic community, putting any doubts to rest and verifying prior claims by the Crypto Basic. We'll keep Terra Station running for the LUNC community for as long as it takes. It is worth noting that the old network is already attempting to attain technical parity with the LUNA V2 chain. With V23 slated for December, many anticipate that the transition will improve on-chain activity since projects built on LUNA V2 will be able to swiftly deploy on the traditional chain to attract its active community. According to a recent article, Terra Classic validator LUNC DAO said that the survival of the Classic chain is dependent on the rise of LUNA V2. The unseen elephant in the room, while Kwon has stated his readiness to collaborate with the Terra Classic community, it is unclear if the community would be eager to collaborate with TFL. Some community members, understandably, continue to harbor grievances towards the TFL founder, while some say he is to blame for the Terra ecosystem's demise or deceived investors with misleading promises. Others believe the creator should have worked to restore the traditional chain rather than developing a new blockchain. Kwon's location are unclear, since South Korean police have filed an arrest warrant for the crypto creator, along with unsubstantiated reports of an Interpol red notice. Terra Classic has lately shown encouraging growth, with its price increasing by more than 8% in the previous 24 hours. Furthermore, the relative strength index increased after reaching the oversold zone. This might help boost the price of LUNC in the coming days. The Chaikin money flow of LUNC also increased, enhancing the likelihood of a price increase. The exponential moving average ribbon, on the other hand, suggested that the bears still had a big edge in the market, which might be dangerous. Terra Casino officially opens as the community expresses concerns about the bookie's LUNC burn transparency. Terra Casino, an online bookie committed to destroying LUNC, has gone live. The casino also said that regardless of the payment method gamblers chose to wager on their favorite sports, it will burn 0.2% of total betting volume in LUNC. The news comes only days after Terra Classic creator Rex Harris and Aka Rixai announced the launch of a new casino that supports LUNC burns. Terra C Vita, an independent Terra Classic development organization, also corroborated the report, adding that the casino might burn up to 24 billion LUNC in 6 months. Since the platform's inception, many gamblers from the Terra Classic community have flocked to it to wager on their favorite games. Terra Casino announced this in a tweet, saying it is overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and support for the betting platform. Terra Casino is an online bookmaker that intends to burn billions of LUNC tokens by utilizing 0.2% of its betting volume. The casino claimed to have burnt 398,791 LUNC since it went online, according to statistics on the website. The bookie accepts both casino and sports bets. By restoring projects to the network, the Terra Classic community hopes to boost usefulness. It will also enhance the LUNC burn rate and aid in the recovery of the LUNC price following the FTX issue. IBC channels to be reopened by Terra Classic core developer. The key creator of Terra Rebels proposes re-enabling IBCs between Terra Classic and 3 Cosmos-based chains, Osmosis, Crescent, and Juno. The channels were shut down during the Terra Luna issue. Terra Rebels, Osmosis, and Notional Labs are working together on an L1 divided by L2 chain update to re-enable IBCs. The IBC channels will be quarantined during the V23 software update. Developers will reopen the IBC channels at block 10,542,500 on December 5th if the idea is accepted by the community. As a consequence, trapped assets may flow down the channels, with Osmosis catching the bulk of them. It will not, however, take effect until the V23 network update is done. The plan has already been widely endorsed by the Terra Classic community. By restoring utility to the chain, this will assist enhance the LUNC burn rate. In fact, it may also help the LUNC price rebound. LUNC price reduction throughout the FTX debacle. The price of Terra Classic plummeted as a consequence of FTX's failure. Bitcoin and Ethereum prices have reached a 2-year low as the cryptocurrency market continues to tumble. The current price of LUNC is $0, down approximately 3% in the last 24 hours and 14% in the past week. Nonetheless, there are a few things going on in the Terra Luna Classic environment that indicate LUNC may rebound sooner or later. Most significantly, developer Tobias Anderson released a proposal last month that may possibly repeg USDC, the stablecoin to which the price of LUNC has traditionally been linked. However, its publishing was enough to quadruple the price of USDC in the second week of October, boosting prospects for additional gains in both currencies in the future. Its release also exemplifies how the Terra Luna Classic community is joining together to develop ideas to raise the prices of LUNC and USDC. It instituted a 1.2% tax burn for all on-chain LUNC transactions in September, and although this has now been decreased to a 0.2% burn, requests for the rate to revert to 1.2% or grow even higher continue. Altcoins with greater short-term prospects. While there is still a potential that LUNC can reach $1 in the far future, other currencies provide a stronger likelihood of above-average profits in the short term. Pre-sale coins, in particular, provide a high possibility for profits, with some pre-sale coins increasing by over 1,000% since their original listing this year. As a result, here are 3 currencies that are now running pre-sales. Each of them has strong fundamentals, which increases their chances of seeing profits in the short and long term. Thank you very much for watching until now. Here are the results of our another trading strategy. Trading System 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the daily time frame. The daily chart gives us a sell signal. Trading system generated sell. Multi-time frame stochastic indicator is neutral. Price is below both multi-time frame moving averages. MACD indicator is close to generation of buy signal. Trading System 2. Technical analysis and trading signals on the 1-hour time frame. The hourly chart gives us a sell signal. Trading system generated sell. Multi-time frame stochastic indicator is oversold and almost generated buy signal. Price is between both multi-time frame moving averages. MACD indicator generated buy signal. Write down below in the comments what is your strategy for the next few days. Click the card on the either left or right to get to more Terra Classic price prediction analysis and LUNC technical analysis. Also, we present analysis on Bitcoin and Bitcoin news today. We cover tickers, XRP, BTC, Cardano, ETH technical analysis, and Shiba and Ucoin. Check our playlists for the free technical analysis trading course. We do not provide investment or tax advice.